Hi, Debbie here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Oral-B Sensitive Toothbrush Heads, which I've used for several years now, along with my trusty Oral-B electric toothbrush. These brush heads are specifically designed for people like me with sensitive teeth, and they truly deliver on their promise. What sets these toothbrush heads apart is their gentle bristles. The soft yet effective bristles provide a thorough clean without causing any discomfort or irritation. It's like giving your teeth a soothing massage every time you brush. The small compact size allows me to reach all those tricky places in my mouth, ensuring a thorough clean. No more worrying about missing any areas or leaving behind plaque and debris. I'm happy to report that my dentist is always pleased with my oral hygiene when I have my checkups, so these brushes are definitely doing their job to great effect. Another great feature of these brush heads is their compatibility with a wide range of Oral-B electric toothbrush models. Whether you have the latest model or an older one, you can easily snap on these brush heads and enjoy a gentle and effective brushing experience. They also maintain their quality and effectiveness for an extended period, giving you great value for money. Plus, the pack comes with multiple brush heads. This one has 8, so you don't have to worry about running out anytime soon. So goodbye to discomfort and hello to a refreshing brushing experience. Keep smiling, my friends. Thanks for checking out my review, and I hope you found it helpful.